Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your community on Skool, so let's get right into it. Now, deleting your community is a bit different than just pressing a delete button, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Now, you can go over into your Change tab and select your own community, and enter your settings through there, or you can go into your profile, and then from there, you can search for your communities. If I click on Edit Profile, you'll see my communities over here, and you can click on Admin next to the community you want to change. Now, these are based on a subscription, so all you need to do is just cancel your subscription, and by the next payout date, it will be gone. So, for example, if I go into billing and affiliates, as you'll see, this is what it looks like, and you can click here to manage your subscription. Here, you'll see that you can cancel your subscription, and if you do, then you'll be able to delete your group. Now, as I've mentioned, at the next payment date, your group or your community will be deleted, and I'm pretty sure that is the only way. If you're having any trouble, you can contact support for them to help you delete, or for them to delete it themselves, and that is pretty much all there is to it. It is as simple as that. I'm not sure if there are any other methods, but this is the only one that I have figured out so far. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.